Objet, setting the new standard. Presenting the printing process with the Objet family of desktop 3D printers to take your designs from screen to reality. Turn any 3D CAD design into a real model. All it takes is a few clicks. First, save your CAD file in STL format. Then, load the file into the intuitive Objet Studio software. When printing starts, Objet's unique PolyJet technology jets photopolymer resins onto the build tray. Each ultra-thin 28-micron layer is cured instantly by UV light. The thin layers ensure fine details and smooth surfaces. Objet24 uses full-cure Vero White Plus model material, creating durable, opaque white models. The model and support materials are both delivered in sealed cartridges, which are easily replaced as needed without interrupting machine operation. Print large models in one go, or simultaneously print multiple smaller models, as shown here. With 4 cartridges, the Objet24 can work for up to 36 hours unattended. Each layer is jetted with high precision and at high resolution, quickly building up into a complete 3D model. When printing is completed, simply open the cover and remove the models with a spatula. The models are fully cured and can be safely handled right away. A quick spray and a wipe with a soft cloth, and the build tray is ready for the next models to be printed. The support material is efficiently removed using a water jet, leaving your model perfectly clean and ready for action. Turn your design into 3D model reality with the Objet24 Personal 3D Printer. Objet, setting the new standard.